how to log in VK with Facebook. So if you want to log in VK with Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application and link your VK account with your Facebook account. So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and now tap on your profile and then tap on edit profile and scroll down, and here you need to go with details. Tap on edit details, scroll down, and here you may have link option. But if you don't have the link option right here, then you will have the option right here on the bottom. You will have the link, right? So you just need to simply go with edit under the link, and under your link you just need to simply go with add social link and enter the platform. Choose the platform, and under the platform here you need to choose VK. Tap on VK and then enter your VK username. Once you enter your VK username, you just need to simply go with public, which is here on the upper right, and add that to public. And once you've added, now your VK account has been linked. And if you go with the VK login page, and if you go with continue with Facebook, then you'll be able to log in VK with Facebook. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.